On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Karen Locasal, and I'm here to tell you about gourd art. Gourd masks. Okay, so we have our gourd mask colored and burned, and we have sprayed it with our sealant to keep our coloring in. So now we're going to add our embellishments, which would be our feathers. And what we would like to do on here is I'll show you the back side. It's a little easier. I actually do drill holes for each individual feather. First, what I usually do though is lay the mask out and lay my feathers out. Get them to the how many feathers you want and what positioning you want them in. And then once I've got that displayed out and how I like it, then I can actually drill my holes, slide my feathers in, and I use usually just Elmer's wood glue works fine. If you find with the larger feathers that they're not holding as well, you can use a 2-part epoxy on it to hold those feathers in. You might have to play with it a little bit on your holes with your angles because your feathers are not straight. They like to go one way or another. So it's just a matter of working with them. Another thing to think about as well is the feathers that you use. You want to stick primarily with your domestic birds. Turkey feathers, chicken feathers are fine. Pheasant feathers are fine. What you need to stay away from is any predatory birds. That means no eagle, no hawk, no owl, no raven, any of the predatory type birds. If you're unsure at all, I would say don't use it to be on the safe side, because it is illegal to have those type of feathers and to be using them either for your own use or for resale. So if you're unsure, I would say, go ahead and not use those. But your turkeys and your chicken and pheasants are all fine, and there's a huge variety of them. As you can tell on this particular one, this is turkey, but so is this, and so is this. So you do get a large variety of coloring and shapes and sizes. And then you can go back in and add in embellishments as you like. Whiskers on this particular one, and you can do a little bit of earrings, a little bit of beadwork, whatever you would like to do.